Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, shalom. Welcome back to Crocheting with Kristl. In the last tutorial, we discussed different types of yarn, different crochet hooks, and how to tie a super simple slip knot. So for this tutorial, we are going to be talking about the importance of how to hold and grip your yarn, also how to chain. I feel like it is good information to start learning how to crochet. I also feel like it's very important to know how to hold your yarn for the outcome of your project. You want to be able to have a good grip over your work where your chains are not loose and sloppy. It helps to have control over your work. How I prefer to hold my work is to thread the yarn over my pinky, under my middle two fingers, and back over my first finger. I hold my work, which right now is just a slip knot that we started out with. I hold it with my middle finger and my thumb. I can move my first finger to give the yarn more or less tension as I need. So I'm going to go ahead and start working this project, which for now is just going to be a row of chain stitches, also called a foundation chain, since it will be the start of our project. So we're just going to yarn over, turn your hook, pull it through. That is chain one. Yarn over, turn your hook, pull it through. As your project grows or moves, you want to move your fingers with it to keep that control over your project. What I like about crocheting is it's super relaxing and it brings this peace while you're working. Then you have this beautiful project in the end that you have either made for yourself or you can gift to someone. I personally love making items for my sisters. But just look at this chain. The chains look like little V's. When you are yarning over, you just hook your yarn and pull it right towards the bottom of that V. So it's super simple. I hope this crochet tutorial helped you out with a little more understanding and hopefully getting you a little further with how to crochet. Stay tuned for the next video. We will be turning our work and working into this foundation chain. Bless y'all. Shalom.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.